My dear brothers and sisters, realizing this big need of introducing yoga into the higher education system, the Ministry of HRD, they said we are going to bring departments of yoga in the main central universities, and they allotted a good budget, and in 6 central universities departments of yoga have been set up, and the syllabus has to be brought forth to see that the total dimension of yoga is brought forth. To bring this syllabus in not only these 6 central universities of departments of yoga, but in all the departments of yoga in the country. Nearly 52 such departments of yoga are available, and this syllabus has to be standardized, and you have to bring the SOP, standard operating procedures, so that the entire dimension of yoga is brought to focus. With that in mind, now the MHRD has started Inter-University Center for Yogic Sciences. This Inter-University Center Yoga Sciences, IUCYS, is housed here, and now this is going to bring the necessary standards and to bring the total dimension of yoga as we have been doing in this university. They say that this university is very unique, and this has to be brought forth into all departments of yoga by bringing the syllabus, standardization of the syllabus and the research dimension, and contribute and make yoga a socially relevant science. And this is our objective, and IUCYS is going to march ahead to bring this dimension in all the departments of yoga in future. This is a great contribution of MHRD. Again, I congratulate Prakash Javadekar for making this possible, and see that the IUCYS has been installed, and soon we are going to develop this. At the same time, India should become the leaders in scientific research in the field of yoga, which it is as of now, and therefore the IUCYS is going to have breakthrough research and see that the research comes and gets the dimension of the highest impact journal things. The paper should go to the highest journals. Already we have been able to publish many things like British Medical Journal, the Journal for Oncology, and many others, and we are going to proceed with high-end journal publications, and therefore India will march ahead to see that we become leaders in the field of yoga dimension. Similarly, in the United States, many universities have started setting up the departments of yoga, and the master's degree are started. And there is no regulatory body, there is no standardization. Therefore, we suggested that India should again become the leaders, and that therefore the NAC, National Accreditation and Assessment Council here, should become the leader, and we should have. Therefore, it was said that we should first establish that at the national level, and the NAC has developed, and we are going to have the meeting tomorrow, day after tomorrow here, and then we are going to take it to the international level, and we are going to have a global summit on April 27-28 of this year, and we bring all the top accreditation council chairpersons for this thing, and see that NAC will get the approval from this consortium of the people to give the standardization needed for the yoga dimension. That's how India can keep up the leadership in the field of yoga, and that's again the great contribution of our MHRD and our Prime Minister to see that yoga spreads in its right perspective, in its holistic vision throughout the country, and it should come into the educational, higher education system with a standardization. And that is the vision that we have, and you are most welcome to join hands with this big movement that is taking place in the country to make India the leaders in the society. Thank you.